Office space is a truly valuable commodity. A single workplace can cost more than $9,000 per year in a major city. Post-COVID, roughly 50% of white-collar employees make far less use of office facilities than ever before, wasting huge amounts of money due to redundant office space. The intelligent analysis of floor space usage, powered by smart sensors, can bring typical savings of 30% to 40% by enabling the cost-conscious, demand-driven reallocation of space according to the number of people within the building. Camera-less occupancy sensors allowing for real-time individual chair and desk monitoring are a key requirement for efficient space utilization. Self-powered wireless sensors and switches can be easily retrofitted to existing facilities in just a few minutes. They gain their energy from light, movement, and temperature differentials, requiring no power cables, no messy installation, no disruption, and no batteries to replace. The data generated can be transmitted via a dedicated local wireless solution or by using existing Wi-Fi networks with local or cloud analytics as needed. These sensors can also perform many other functions, such as optimizing energy use through intelligent control of lighting and HVAC systems, or for monitoring indoor air quality. Thousands of interoperable devices based on the Open in-Ocean standard are available from hundreds of vendors worldwide. With reduced energy costs and lower CO2 output, they benefit the environment and add security, safety, and comfort for users in millions of buildings globally. For more information about how you can optimize office space and reduce costs, visit the provided link or www.inoceanalliance.org.